powerful language. The stronger your foundation will become. As you progress in your Python journey, you'll encounter scenarios where you need to handle and manipulate data effectively. This is where data structures and algorithms come into play, providing elegant solutions to organize and process data. Data structures are like containers that hold and organize data in various ways. We'll explore arrays, which store elements in a sequential manner, and linked lists, where elements are linked together using pointers. We'll delve into stacks and queues, each with its unique way of adding and removing elements. Furthermore, we'll uncover the power of hash tables, which allow for efficient data retrieval. Algorithms, on the other hand, are step-by-step procedures for solving problems. We'll explore searching algorithms like linear search and binary search, which help us find specific elements within data structures. Sorting algorithms such as bubble sort, insertion sort, and merge sort will be demystified, enabling you to arrange data in a desired order. Understanding data structures and algorithms is crucial for writing efficient and optimized Python code. These concepts are not limited to Python and are transferable to other programming languages as well. By mastering these fundamentals, you'll be well prepared to tackle complex programming challenges. Section 4. The magic of automation, simplifying tasks with Python. One of Python's most compelling strengths lies in its ability to automate tasks. Of Python. iOS has got you covered, but an integral part of the software development lifecycle. Section 6. Python for Data Science. Unleashing the power of data. Data science has emerged as one of the most sought-after fields, and Python plays a pivotal role in this data-driven era. Python's rich ecosystem of libraries and tools has made it the go-to language for data scientists worldwide. NumPy, the cornerstone of numerical computing in Python, provides powerful arrays and mathematical functions for efficient data manipulation. Pandas, built on top of NumPy, introduces data frames, which offer a convenient way to work with structured data. We'll explore how to load, clean, transform, and analyze data using pandas. Data visualization is crucial for gaining insights from data. Matplotlib provides a comprehensive library for creating static, interactive, and animated visualizations. Seaborn, built on top of Matplotlib, offers a high-level interface for creating statistically informative and visually appealing plots. Python's machine learning capabilities are equally impressive. Scikit-learn provides a wide range of algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, and more. TensorFlow and PyTorch, developed by Google and Facebook respectively, are popular deep learning libraries that enable you to build and code using classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. Your Python journey doesn't end here. Continuously challenge yourself, explore new libraries, contribute to open source projects, and never stop learning. The world of Python is vast and ever-evolving, offering endless opportunities for growth and exploration.